Guys, today how to create the models. Okay, these models we develop they using the class methods. Okay, classes. Class I create this model for user, user registration form, or otherwise user check the every login forms. Okay, as your wish, you want to what type of fields you are creating, the type of fields you are creating using these classes. Okay, open parenthesis, you can must and should you can pass these models. Okay, and dot model. Next you can give the model, you can assign the one variable you can assign now the name equal to. After that you can take the models dot char field max length given 100. Okay, after that you can see my python, my project not running this time. I can first of all, before running I can migrate the my project. First of all, python manage.py migrate. After that you can see these are all our authentications all you apply to the our migrations. You can see it's creating mm, migrations in.py file. Mhm. Okay, make migrations. I missed the one thing. Okay, Python manage.py file. Make migrations. You can see created one model. It's a user. Okay, in migrations, you can see 0000001 initial.py file. You are creating the, it's a field is one is id by default it's came it's id and and next you can see that is the given the variable name. It's what is the name, it's a variable name is a name. And next we are giving the model char field is it's a 100 length. Okay, by default it's, you can run the, you can migrate your files this command using. Before make migrations you can use the migrate. Migrate means your authentications and admins all are you can apply and the sessions also. Okay. And next you go to your home page. No, you can go to your use page. And next you can import the your files. First of all, what is the you are presenting in the this folder level. Okay, this is the same level because you can directly you can use import or otherwise you can from, sorry, app one import models. And next, what are the fields are present in this? You can give the f dot name. You can copy now, right in this. Okay, 1 minute, guys. I have one call. Guys, can you wait 10 minutes? I have another call. Okay, just I can mute it. Um, Hello guys.
Yes, Shiva.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
This is the stock price. Okay. I created one model. Okay. And next you can give the class meta name because it's a by default it's a came to the your app name. Okay. By default it's a take the table name. It's a app name because I can give the one class or function name. Fine. You can return the string value. Okay. Or otherwise you can use this string dot super. What is the name? Okay, otherwise you can give simply. This is a very confusion method. Okay, just given the return method and what is the parameter you are passing, the self copy and dot. What is the name? Name. Yeah, pass meta db underscore name equal to sorry equal to give name user. Okay. Before you are all are first of all download this application DB Escalate browser. You can see this is the DB Escalate browser. All are installed now. This application and download now. Okay, you can see this is 64-bit Escalate 3 for Windows 64-bit. Okay, I can give this link also in chat group in WhatsApp. First of all, you will all are click now. Okay, download now. This is just for data visualization purpose. So take some time. Finish. You can see your file will be. This is my project file. This is the SQL. Sorry. This is my SQLite 3. This is my database. You can just select now and next you can give the right click. You can see open with. It's a click on more apps and again go now. It's look for another apps on the PC. Just click now and where you can download now that path you can go now your PC and users Dell. My path is correct or not? Mhm. That is, I forgot my path. Dell public. Mhm. No, maybe programming files. Not there. Programming files. It's, mm, SQLite 3. Mhm. Working on it. Okay. Otherwise, I can download now. Okay, but it's not showing in my path. Okay, you can see this is our path. DB escalate, DB browser escalate. Okay, its name is DB escalate, or otherwise you can change now. It's a give only next install now. Okay, finish. Okay. Anyone any doubts how to open this database? Okay, I will clearly you can see it's open with the more apps, and also click on to another in our PC and just go to your system where you can download now. This is my DB SQLite 3. I can click now. In this you can see the last option. You can select now and open. It's a by default it will open with the DB SQLite 3. Once you can this method you can apply for first file. It's automatically applied to the all the files. Okay, you don't need to open now. You can see this is the our database. In database authentications are there and all the permissions, and next you can go to your browser data. You can select no particular table. Okay, these are all our tables. Okay, already mm, users SQLite 3 sequence Django admin. Okay, once my apply. Okay, some modifications are applied in models. Okay, before I can apply them, make migrations. I can apply them, make migrations. So no changes are detected. Okay, in this time, once you can refresh now your database. This is the refresh button. Mm-hmm. Auth user admin. Mm-hmm. This is the file or not? Okay, temperature. This is the file. Okay. Okay, it's a game. You can see I'm present in the auth group. Okay, it's a ID and a name. It's by default it's taken that name. Okay. Okay, otherwise you can delete now all these things. By default, it's at game now. Once I can save now and again make migrations and apply the changes detect before migrate. First of all, migrate and make migrations. This time, no changes. Okay. You can see in this time database. You can once refresh now. Where is the data sections? Data. This is you can see your app user one. You can see I will apply the before these things. I can change now. I can apply save as, and again I can apply the migrate and also make migrations. This time you can refresh your database, change it to your table name. You can once see app one user. You can change what is the name of. Okay, save as DB name. Okay, DB table maybe. Okay, DB name. Once see in my previous project also there. Okay, one submit in models. Okay, string meta db table. Okay, table. Sorry, not a okay table. Save as. In this time you can migrate now. Also, my make migrations. Okay, and this time you can see your. You can refresh now the app user. Mhm. It's not change. Why? Mhm. Meta. It's okay. I given this small letter in the meta. Okay. Meta. It's a good capital. Okay. This is a small error mistake. See any mistakes are there. This type of. It's not. It's a definitely affected to your project. Okay. Patience and quite great. Okay. This time you can see. I can refresh now. You can change this name. You are changing your table name without meta tag class name. You can give in the this type of fields you can give now. That defaultly it's taken the your app name and first what is the your class name. It's by defaultly it's a taken. Okay, you can see in the first time I can create now the name of this table. It's a user, and also in this time also you can see the dependencies it's a changed. The dependencies you can see the name is user and table name also user. Okay, you can give now also you can give now db name also you can give. Okay, you can change now particular DB you want to retrieve the data. You have number of databases are there. That time you can give the particular database name. Okay, that name DB name. That time it's selected the that name, but by defaultly it's a Django. It's came to one database. It's a DB SQLite 3. Okay, DB because I can give the DB this DB table name. Okay, anyone any doubts how to change this table name and what are the fields are present in this you can only not only care field. It's a text field what where maybe what maybe it's a in the html pages are presenting in the text field boolean field all the fields are present in the Django. What is self there? Self means it's a parameter. Okay, you can passes the request how to what is the request in the self means construct method. This construction method using this related to this class. Okay, the string type this string type returns the string values only. You can use the integer init method. You can init method that time it's init values means integer values returns only integer values that function returns. Okay, okay guys, after go to I can create the one file python file. Mm, sorry guys, I wrongly selected. Okay, in this app level I can minimize it first of all these things. Okay, app level I can create the one project that is the forms, not a project, one file. I create a one file that is the forms file. Okay, forms.py. The forms.py file you can first of all write the forms, import the forms from the Django. Okay, from Django. Pass the student with constructor. Student means student variable s1. Yeah, because I am telling to same thing, Amrut. Uh, okay, you can give the construction method, that is the construction. Okay, Django input forms. Okay, this forms you can utilize now. You can create the one class. Okay, this class name is also I can give the user. And next of all, import this models. You can import this model. What is this model? It's a user. Before import this model, you can import this file. Okay, this is same level. But it is the same level. Okay, you can import now. Import dot models. Import function name. What is the class name? Sorry, not your function. This function name is users. Okay. Okay, this users and this users, it's a different thing. I am giving this is the capital U and also this is the form class. Okay, and this is the model class. And next, same similarly in models, you can copy now, paste it. This forms dot from model form. Okay, after that, you can give the model. Okay. What is your model? I've, I'm already created one model, that is the user model, and also this model I can import now, and this model I can copy it and paste it. Okay. And next, what are the fields are present in this? Let's see. These fields I can give all fields. Next, I can this views form file. Where is the views file? And also this form field, this form file we can retrieve this view files views file. Okay, how to retrieve? You can go now. You can write it forms from uh, v from forms input. What is the form? Your form name is user. Okay, sorry, user. Let's see now. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, it's sometimes it's struggling. Oh, okay. In this, you can give file just user. Okay, I given it this user. Okay, and also you can go what are the HTML page or home.html page. You can go now in home.html page. I can put in this form. I can delete this form. Okay, what is the my name? My key name. What is my key name? Can go to views. In views, what is that to HTML? Okay, in the form. Not a form. It's HTML. Your HTML page. Go to your HTML page and next paste it. Dot as underscore p. That's time. It's a creating the paragraph type. Okay. Just run the server. Okay. I can manage that py run server. Okay. Forms. No module forms in this where it's views file. Okay, in views file, I have one forms. Okay, I can give the dot. I forgot form. Okay, in this time I can run now, and before I can save now. Sorry, guys. I directly save this. Again, I run. You see, it's opening. I can open the home page. Mhm. Oh, okay. I missed the Jinja techniques. Oh, sorry, guys. You can see this is a also Jinja techniques missing. Okay, this error. Okay, the model form as a model classified. Okay, I miss the Jinja techniques. Okay. Mhm. That is the error or not? I found it. Okay, again it's showing. But function use function HTML. This is user. Okay. Model of publisher. Okay, it's right. But it is showing error. Why? I'm giving correct. But what happened? I don't know. Given check error, what is the error it is showing? The model form has a model classified. The model form, okay. Form. Okay, HTML, click submit button. Submit button. Yeah, I got it, but I can give directly model once. What happened? Down, please. Okay, this is my round. Informs. What this? This is the this term I'm getting. Can see. In error 347, get method okay. Some mistake. It's a form. Yeah. Yes, that's the mistake. Module object is not callable. By default, it's not getting. Okay, this is the form action is present. What we are using CRFs. Sort of. Use.py file. Okay. By default saving. Guys. Okay. I will explain now. First of all, I created one model. It's a model you can see user register model. In the model, how to call it? It's a Django. By default, it's a models are present. Okay, you can double click now. You can go to that fields. Okay, this is the model building functions. By default, it's a came the core Django will be developed. Okay, these models, the fields, and all these things you can see in this developed. And also you can go now object that doesn't not existed. That all are all one function. That function it's a returns the true. Okay, silent variable it's a failure. Okay, the query returns the multiple objects when only was expected. Okay, you can go now. You can explore the all the functions. It's easily you can understand only the class and what are the
Shiva,
yeah. Hello, hello. Who is this?
Shiva,
Yeah.
లేదు బై మిస్టేక్ వచ్చేసింది ఎవరిదో అది.
Okay. Okay. These are all functions. Init files are presenting in the data DB modules. All are present. Okay. Don't go now. Any changes you can just of all observe now. Don't go this type of things. You can see we are from Django DB. In Django DB, we import the files. This is the folder. This is the folder DB Django DB. Okay. In Django utilities versions, you can all are configure. Okay. This model I can develop the one is the name. The name is model.char field. Char field means that is the field can takes the integers and also takes the characters. Okay, char field means it's a by default you know what is the character within the quotations we can write the anything that is the character. It's a converted into character. and also login ID also. I'm creating fields. These fields I can give that field name is a name and login ID, password and mobile, email, locality, address, city and state and status. Okay, and after that I can give the one return. This function, it's a returns the login id. Enter this class, it's a returns the login id. You want to run this file, that time it's a returns the login id only. Okay, you want to run this file particularly, not a project. You can particularly this project. Okay, and also I want to give in the db table name. This is the already, it's a predefined database. It is a db, that db table name. I am creating one table. The fields are, what are the field names are present, name, login id, password. Okay, after that I can give the one name of the table. Okay, user registration, you already see. Okay, this I can refresh now. Okay, before, you can see anytime you can see your database. Before you can make migrations, you can apply now. Migrate, first of all you can apply migrate, and after that you can apply the migrations. And next again you can run now your server, and you can check now your database. In your database your fields is different. I can refresh now. User register, where is it? It's not coming. Auth group, user, it's not coming. Okay, unapplied migrations, it's a one. Okay, migrations, it's not properly applied. It's a showing you have one unapplied migrations. Next, migrations, info changes detect. Okay, server. This time check now. User register. You can see the what of the fields are present in this. Email, locality, and address, city, state. It is your database. Okay, database table. Okay, your database table name is user registration. And after came to your forms. The forms, what are the forms are present, you can see. This is the lot of things. You first of all learn how to create the this database only today. You can just of all learn now. I will share this file also. What are the fields? This field name is character field, and also this is also character field, and also text fields are text field are also there. Okay, I will create one thing, one new model, mo- model dot models. Text field, you can see text field also there, and maximum length. You can see why I am given the unique. Unique means this is all our maximum length is 100, because that time it's a this field and these fields both this 100 maximum length are all the maximum lengths. Okay, that time it's a confusion, because I am giving the sometimes any issues are came, that time I can give the unique. Okay, and also maximum length equal to 500. This is the text field. Once I can apply now, I can break the server. First of all, I can apply the make migrate. Okay, after that, make migrations, you can apply now. Okay. You can see this is the please select to fix it. Okay, this time in this type of showing that time you can use this unique. Okay, this time again you can run now. You can break now your server, and again you can migrate now. how models change reflected applied to the apply them. Okay, make migrations. I can apply now. Provide the on off default now. Okay. Make migrations. Migrate. Okay, manage.py, make migrations and migrations. Then run the manage.py file. Sorry. Or can refresh now. Okay, guys. Text field unique. Let's test it. Okay, this time you can see now. Can refresh now. You can see these fields are it's present new one. Okay, how to this? By defaultly it's some adding the files fields. This is the new thing, guys. Before by default, see by default you can create the you are not creating any fields, but in this time we are creating the fields. Okay, మీకు జాబ్ సర్వర్లో చూసుకుంటే ఇలాంటి మొత్తం మీకు ఉంటాయి. మీకు ఇలా బై డిఫాల్ట్‌గా వచ్చేస్తాయి. బట్ ఇక్కడ జాంగోలో ఏంటంటే మీరే ఫీల్డ్స్‌ని క్రియేట్ చేసుకోవాలి. ఓకే. ఈ ఫీల్డ్స్‌ని క్రియేట్ చేయటమే మోడల్ అంటాము. ఈ మోడల్స్‌ని ఇవి ఓకే. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ యూ కెన్ సీ దిస్ ఫంక్షన్ ఇట్స్ రిటర్న్స్ this login ID only. Okay. Guys, first of all, you can any modification in the model, you can first of all apply the migrate. Okay, you can apply the migrate. It's a showing no migrations are to apply. After that you can apply the any migrations will apply that time. Okay, will apply the all migrations, it's showing. After that you can make migrations means you are applying the your changes, any changes in your file. No changes in your file. Okay, I delete the you can see I delete the new file. Okay, can save now. And next I can migrate my function. Sorry. I can manage.py, migrate. I can migrate my files. You can see. Same issue. It's a game because it's a you can put on the null value equal to before. Sorry. Null equal to same fields, same width are present at that time. It is a char field and this is the text fields. It's a you are adding the besides because it's a this type of errors because it's a null values are presenting. Okay, how to remove the null values? You can put the null equal to true. Okay, and next you can go run now your file. Then make first of all migrate. You see no migrations to apply. To model have changes the reflected to migrations. Okay, once you can apply your make migrations, any reflections are there. Okay, you can see remove the field new and after status of field user registration. Okay, I previously new file new one variable is present, one field is present. That field I can remove now. That is it is showing. It's again migrating. It's a 00 file. It's created, and next I can remove the status also. I can remove now, and next I can put it in this value also null equal to true. Again, it's showing. Otherwise, okay. Once see before I'm saving, I'm not running. This time you can check now your database also. It's a new will be new not present. Okay, I can check. Mhm. Okay, what happened? New will be okay. First of all, you can run now your server. Mm, okay, status also I am removed and again first of all migrate. Okay, it's migrated, migrations applied and make migrations also you can apply now. Okay, and next you can run now your server. Okay, you can go your database once check now. Once I refresh it, you can check. New will be status will be present. Okay, it's not. mm, Sometimes it stores the values because it's not getting. Okay, right now my system and next once again I can migrate and then applications. Okay, let me changes detected. I am running my server. In this time you can see my database. I can refresh now. You can see status also gone. Okay, my ID and login ID it's only scheme and also only today I will explain only how to models create. Okay, anyone any doubts? Guys, this flow you can understand now. That time it's easily understand how to it's going. First of all, I am explaining today only model. I am don't go to this form. This form is very difficult. Okay, I am first of all explaining model. Okay, guys, hello, all are understand? Amrut, what? Okay.